Using a Panda Express gift card is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. You can use your Panda Express gift card for online orders or at any accepted location, including standalone restaurants, amusement parks, shopping mall, food courts, and other venues like airports, casinos, and universities. Here's how to use it. First, place your order on the Panda Express website. After that, click on the Order Now button. During checkout, indicate gift card as your payment method. After that, enter the card number and PIN. Then, complete your order. Download the Panda Express application on your smartphone. Then, place your order within the app. At checkout, select Add Gift Card as your payment method. Then, enter the card number and PIN. Now click Apply to use the gift card for your order. Remember that once you order or receive the gift card, you cannot change its value until you spend what is already on it.